Two-person assisted pressure relief lifts. The stronger assistant should stand at the back. This assistant should bend and hold the user safely. The second assistant should stand in front and hold the knees firmly. The first assistant should initiate countdown to 3, and both the assistants must lift the user together. The assistants should maintain the lift for 10 seconds with no contact between the user's buttocks and the seat. Lower the user gently on the seat. One-person assisted push-ups for pressure relief. The assistant can grasp the waistband of the user's trousers and assist the lift, creating a gap between the cushion and the user's buttocks. Maintain the lift for 10 seconds and lower the user gently onto the seat. Weight shift using manual wheelchair. Find a bench or a wall to lean on. Let the assistant pull your wheelchair backwards towards the bench. Assistant can push the tip bar down to pop the casters and slide the wheelchair back to rest the push handles on the bench to tilt the wheelchair. You can then lock the wheels, hook your fingers onto the pushrims, and lean your head back as far as possible. Hold the pushrims and pull yourself enough to unlock the wheels. The assistant can then bring back the wheelchair to upright position using the push handles. Assisted positioning in wheelchair. You should be comfortable in the wheelchair to allow longer sitting and stay active. The assistant should stand behind the user, pull the user up, and move him in comfortable position on the wheelchair. Stabilizing wheelchair by engaging wheel locks with assistance. The assistant should lean on the same side to reach the lever. Pushing the lever forward will engage the lock. Pulling the lever back will release the lock.